Welcome back, everybody. Today we are doing a chicken breast casserole with some other goodies in there. The recipe is down in the description box for your convenience to make it along at home. So let's get cooking. Okay, we have a 9 by 13 baking dish. I'm using glass. We're gonna throw some non-stick spray in there, because now we're going to layer our chicken breast. And there'll be 6 of them. And I'm just gonna stop. Okay, now we're gonna take 8 ounces of sliced Swiss cheese, and we're just going to layer on top of the chicken. Okay, we have 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, and we are just going to pour this over top and make a nice thick layer. I'm going to spread this all about. Okay, next we're going to have a box of chicken stuffing, and we're just going to spread this on top. We're going to coat it. Just one package. Okay, now we have that done. I have 1 cup of butter, just 2 sticks, melted. Just pour it in the microwave, and we're just going to glaze the top of this. Try to get some of this wet, and it will start to soak up. Okay, now we're going to cover it with foil, and we're going to bake for 1 hour at 300 degrees, and then we'll take it out and see what it looks like. Okay, I just took it out. We are going to uncover it, and now we're going to put it back into the oven for another hour. Okay, I took it out of the oven about 15 minutes ago, and we are going to attempt to take one of these out. So look at that. Take a little bit of this. Strip that around the sides. Bit of this stuffing. That looks amazing. Okay, let's dig into this. We have the Swiss cheese on top. Tender. That Swiss cheese really sets it off. A little bit of the stuffing. All the flavors from that condensed soup. Now I did use a low sodium condensed soup, and the butter was no sodium in that either, so. And it's perfect. There's just enough amount of salt in here. You don't want to overdo that either. Everything mingles together, so it's kind of like a slow bake. It's going to take 2 hours, but yeah, the flavors are amazing in here. Amazing. So until next time, this is a Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.